Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at a die or dice that I constructed out of cardboard box. And I put some pictures on it on 6 sides. And I've got a whole bunch of these, and it's a very good idea to make one of these for your lessons. If you're teaching new vocabulary, numbers, colors, months, whatever, or phrases such as this, you get these from an English workbook. You color copy them, and then you cut them out like this. I just say dice to my students. It's easier because if I say die, it sounds like shinu to them. Die is singular and dice is plural, but I just say dice, okay? And that is saikoro in Japanese. So you can put whatever you want. So in this case, bring your towel. Bring your towel. What's bring your towel? Most students don't know the word bring, but if they do, that's great. You need to teach them. Bring is motekuru, okay? Motekuru. Towel, which is taoru in Japanese. Don't say taoru to them. Say towel. Bring your towel. Anata no towel o motekimasu. Brush your teeth. So, brush your teeth is ha o migaite. Pick up your bag. Pick up your bag is anata no kaban o mochiagate. Mochiagete. Move your desk. Anata no tsuke o ugokasu. The word move in Japanese is ugokukasu or dokeru. Okay, and then here, carry the box. Now my students know the word carry and they know box. So get them to say carry the box, not the box carry. To say carry in Japanese is hakonde. And clean the table. Kono table o souji suru. Okay? I would hand the die to each student and I would get them to choose. And for my classes, I say, I will give you 2 bonus candies if you win. Really. So they would choose a phrase, they would say it correctly, and then they would roll the dice. And if they get it, they win. If they don't, well, that's too bad. The purpose of using this dice, is to get the students saying some English for each lesson, okay? Consider it as a warm-up. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.